Well, it's rare that a person could claim to have fought alongside General MacArthur and met people who could cure cancer. But what if that person was a humble Brisbane dog? Jessie Grayson has the amazing story of Smoky the Yorkshire Terrier.
As far as life stories go, Smoky the Yorkshire Terrier almost defies belief. A World War II hero fighting in Papua New Guinea, a Hollywood star, but most importantly, a healer of soldiers.
It's a story that most people know well in the United States, but didn't realise that Smoky the war dog, the world's first therapy dog, was actually a Brisbane dog.
There are 6 monuments honouring Smoky in the United States. Now her hometown has one too. Smoky's American owner, Bill Wynn, is still alive. At 94, he's too frail to travel, but still strong enough to tell her story.
I got Smoky through a friend who was driving in the jungle of Nadzab, New Guinea. Smoky
flew in warplanes with General Douglas MacArthur and met Dr. William Mayo, founder of the world-famous cancer clinic.
He was a young lieutenant in Papua New Guinea at the time when he first suggested that Smoky should become what we know now as a post-traumatic stress syndrome dog.
She also walked the wards in Royal Brisbane Hospital in the 1940s, brightening the days of injured soldiers. And this monument's not just for Smoky, it's for all of the animals that have helped serve our men and women during conflicts over the last 100 years. But today was another day for Smoky and her amazing tale. Jessie Grayson, 10 News.